Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Acha. This video is about how to end a contract on Upwork. Since some people asked me, and I've been telling them on the email, but then some people like asked me again. So instead of having to explain सबको अलहदा अलहदा, I thought to just make a video कि आपने एक contract को end कैसे करना है. मल्टीपल रीजंस हो सकती हैं आप एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्यों एंड करना चाहते हैं, आपको क्लाइंट के साथ हैप्पी नहीं है, या क्लाइंट अनअवेलेबल हो गया, या क्लाइंट को एंड नहीं करना. सो मेनी रीजंस. So this is very simple. You go to my jobs, go to all contracts. Don't include closed contracts because आपने सिर्फ open तो इसको uncheck कर दिया. सिर्फ open check किए and then you click on any of them. Let's just say इस contract पे हमने click किया और हम गए यहाँ पे और हमने propose give end कर दिया contract. And then they'll ask you how was your experience. You can tell them whether the job was completed or the client was not responsive or anything. So job completed successfully. How likely are you? I think this was a great client, so I'll give them 5 on 5. Great person to work with and contract. So you see, this was pretty simple. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, press that little bell icon please, because it will notify you everything I post. That's basically about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Bye bye.